Hold on, 1 second. We got 15 minutes left before they say we gotta leave the building. I got 20 years of classics, so we gonna pick one. Whichever one y'all think is the one that I need to do right now, let me hear what the fuck it is. Which one should I do right now before they say we gotta leave? I got about 2 bottles that I really need to finish before I leave. So I need to get to my liquor, cause all of y'all niggas drunk. And I'm not leaving this bitch until I'm drunk. So let's get this shit popping so I can get fucked up and get drunk with all of you motherfuckers out here, please. Stop. I respect the DJ skills, brother. Hold on. I want to see everybody cut the fucking lights on. West Coast was popping, baby. All right, look. Small, simple instructions. Cause we gonna do one of our biggest classics, and I wanna see every fucking body spit them verses with me. So when that first start, just turn the music down a little low so we can hear everybody spit this shit with a nigga. It goes 1, 2, 3, come on. What you saying, yo? When I be on the mic, I do my duty, yo. I'm up in the club. You know when I'm violent, nigga, really and truly, yo. My main dog, feeling that Julio. Type of nigga get to stab it with the Julio. Bitch, nigga, scared to death, actually, yo. Fuck that. Look at shorty, she a little Julio. Know what you? Top masters in the bigger pictures and videos. Follow with my feet like we up in the freak shows. Is you with the shit make you feel it?